noise for me affords us the opportunity to communicate to people very, very quickly on a whole raft of issues.
One of the things that I was really keen on doing was getting messages out very quickly that I felt were important and key messages to them.
Well, what we've done in Wales is roll out the system to all of our maintenance locations, our maintenance depots, section manager offices, and we're using that to give national updates, important information around safety messages, around performance, and what's really good is that we're able to update it currently.
For me, information only has power if it's relevant and current. The moment the information dies away or becomes out of date, people switch off and they don't become interested, and therefore one of the things about this is the immediacy that you can keep the information up to date.
The reality is that I can't get to see everyone in the route. There are 1,400 people in Wales. I can never get round to see all of those people, so the ability to be able to communicate with you directly on up-to-date and current issues is really important to me.
As we go forward, I'd love to see a situation where noise is so well developed that briefings of a morning could be actually conducted on the noise process.
Well, we've got 47 screens across the two delivery units within Wales and also at the Route HQ in Cardiff at Callaghan Square.
Whatever message we want to get out there, safety, performance, any operational issues, guys coming in at night, again reaffirming that, what's happened in the course of the day. There's a whole load of benefits to come from it and much in the way of development to be done yet.
The thing about noise is the simplicity of its use. There are templates that you fill in, you just edit the text as required, you use the background templates if required. It allows you to put specific timings on the information, so you may run different presentations at different times of the day depending on who the audience is.
Well, the great thing about noise, it's really easy to use and update information. And what's really good is that not only is the system, the noise system, updated from a route headquarters level, it can be updated at a local level as well.
There are a number of individuals that we've given authority to control all 22 players. And what that does is it allows us to cascade information either throughout the whole route or in specific parts of the route.
Well, I think what we need to do is consider how noise interfaces with all the other media channels that we have, and we need to make sure that we align it and we're consistent with our messaging, and we need to consider how noise fits into the future of communications between our organisations and with our people in Network Rail.
One of the main aspects for me is safety alerts. To get safety alerts out there very, very quickly, noise is absolutely perfect for that.
We had the O2 issue where the phones went down, and the quick fix for the O2 was to shut down, turn it back on. And we used noise then for putting a broadcast message out to instruct the guys to turn the phones on, turn them off, rather than trying to get hold of people, which of course was the problem with O2, and it was coming up on the noise screens.
So being able to give people up-to-date information, both from a national level, but importantly from a local perspective, information that people want to see in their local depot, this is a great innovation and a really good way of improving how we communicate with our teams on the front line.
We lead nationally on a number of issues, and we're seen to be doing it again. What will work for us will undoubtedly work for other routes, no question about that.